Myself, Ms. Tejasri Kosbe, lecturer from Praveen Patil Polytechnic, Bhayandar. My subject is utilization of electrical energy. In this video, you will learn about practical number 11, which is prepare a report or chart on various types of traction system. First is practical significance. Railway is the largest means of transportation in India and it is ranked in the world as fourth largest railway network. Study of various types of traction system will enable the student to understand the advantages and drawbacks of various traction system so that they can select suitable traction system for Indian Railways. Relevant program outcomes, that is POs. First is PO4. Engineering tools apply relevant electrical technologies and tools with the understanding of the limitations. PO5. The engineer and society assess societal health, safety, legal and cultural issues and the consequent responsibilities relevant to practice in the field of electrical engineering. PO6 is environment and sustainability. Apply electrical engineering solutions also for sustainable development practices in societal and environmental content. PO7 is ethics. Apply ethical principles for commitment to professional ethics, responsibilities and norms of the practice also in the field of electrical engineering. PO8 is individual and teamwork. Function effectively as a leader and team member in diverse or multidisciplinary teams. PO9 is communication. Communicate effectively in oral and written form. PSO1 is electrical equipment. Maintain various types of rotating and static electrical equipment. Third is competency and skill. So this practical is expected to develop the following skills for the industry identified competency, that is maintain different types of electrical utilities and systems, identify the different types of traction systems. Fourth is relevance course outcomes, use different electric traction systems. Fifth is practical learning outcome, which is prepare a report or chart on various types of traction systems. Next is minimum theoretical background for this practical is a driving force that causes propulsion of a vehicle is referred to as a traction system. The traction system is of two different types, that is non-electric traction system and electric traction system. The traction system that doesn't use electricity at any stage of a vehicle movement is referred to as a non-electric traction system. Such a traction system is used in steam locomotives, IC engines and in the maglev trains, high-speed trains. The traction system that uses electricity in all stages or some stages of a vehicle movement is referred to as an electric traction system. The system which use electrical power for traction system, that is for railways, trams, trolleys, etc. is called electrical traction. This is your setup for this practical, in which you can see the electric traction system, diesel traction system and a steam traction system. Resources required for this practicals are, first is railway manual or computer with internet facility. Next you have to write down precautions to be followed for this practical in your manual. Next is the procedure. So first, browse website for authentic information of different traction system. Visit library to gather information regarding different traction system. And third is, based on the collected information, prepare either a detailed report or a comparative chart of different traction system. So in this practical, you have to search information on internet to write down the information about traction system. So next we have to write down the resources which you used for this practical. Next, actual procedure followed and precautions followed. And next is the observation. So first is name of traction system, that is steam engine. So write down special features of steam engine, advantage of steam engine and drawbacks of steam engine by searching information on internet. For second, diesel engine, that is diesel IC engine system. Third is electric traction and fourth is diesel electric traction. So you have to search information on internet and write down this information in your manual. Next, result, interpretation of result, conclusion. So you have to write down this information in your manual. Thank you.